y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have another human hair headband half wig for you guys. By now that this video goes up, this is like the fourth one. So if you are like burnt out with the headband half wigs, I'm sorry, but that's what's popping out here in the wig street. So if you haven't watched my other 3 videos, I do have a playlist just for those, so check those out. I have tried a straight yaki one, I've tried 2 curly ones, one in color, but you guys have been requesting to see a kinky curly one, and so HerGivenHair, they sent me one here, and this is the coily texture. I have the specifics and everything in the description box for you guys, and I do like these kinds of textures because they blend better with my natural hair. I recently reviewed a headband half wig that was in color. I prefer not to do color, like full on color with my headband half wigs, because the base of my hair is black, so black hair is going to look more natural. Now I'm down to do a predominantly black wig with highlights in it because I feel like that'll be more natural. So with this one I don't have to worry about that. So this is the texture here, coily texture. You guys saw the unboxing and everything. It was packaged very nicely. 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Let's see how it looks just put on my head. I usually always secure the comb in the back, but I don't necessarily secure all the combs in the wig. Ooh, okay, this is pretty. I watched Queenie K, and she had some really cute hairstyles with her stuff. She tried this pineapple hairstyle that was super cute. Like, already this looks very natural. It looks bigger than expected. I thought this was going to be shorter, but okay. So just like with the other wigs, you just snap it in the back. Like that. Let me put this down. So the black, just like with the other ones I've tried, the black, it's a black spandex headband that's sewn to the wig. Oh, this is beautiful. And I washed this off camera and let it air dry for 2 days, and this is what it looks like after letting it air dry. This is really, really pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh yes. And I wanted to switch my lip to like something red today because this hair is black, and I do have like this headband here that I bought from Target that I want to try with it, and I thought the red would look cute. Oh, this is it. This looks good. Okay, so you can wet it down and stuff, because when I was watching Queenie K's video, she wet hers down. I'm going to get into these headbands that they sent. They sent a lot of them. I'm not going to try on every one of them, but I'm going to try on a few. So this orange one is really pretty, so I want to try that one on. Ooh, child. This is some big hair, so it's going to be kind of harder than usual to get these over this hair. This is just a smaller headband than usual. I kind of want to do a middle part with this froed out look, because naturally Mary, she does this look where she has a middle part and the hair is very full like this. So I think I want to try that. Oh, this looks cute with this headband. Cute. Create some little sideburns over here, but since this is a kinky texture, you don't have to like shellac your baby hairs down if you don't want to. But if that's what you want to do, you do that too. Ooh, gotta put the hoops on. This is really pretty, like really, really pretty. So I'm not gonna try on all the headbands that they sent, but I want to try on this one that I bought from Target. It has like an African print on it. It was kind of expensive though. I was like, Target, what are we doing? Actually, let me put I want to try a middle part. As I told you, Miss Naturally Mary does this and it's so cute. Let me see if I can do that. I'm having so much fun with these headband half wigs. The colored one I showed you didn't look as natural because it wasn't the color of my hair, but these black ones, I love them. Now you could do it like this and have the headband like covering your hairline, but you would have to pull up the wig up a lot more than that. But you can do that and just have it like this. But I like to show my edges because I feel like it looks more natural. And I want to show this middle part. All right, so I showed you guys that middle part with the headband and it looked beautiful. The last style, I'm just gonna try that pineapple style that I saw Queenie K do. And I think I'm gonna wet down the hair a bit because it is hard to, that is one thing about this particular texture and it being so big. It is a little bit harder to get a headband over it when it's in its completely dry, froed out state. So I'm gonna secure the comb in the back and I'm gonna secure the combs on the side as well. So y'all have seen it completely froed out and everything and it's beautiful and big, but I'm gonna wet it down a bit and put a little bit of product on it. I'm gonna use the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard and see what that does. I'm gonna go get some more water and wet this whole thing down and use like a Denman style brush to kind of clump the curls. As you can see, with just putting the water on it, it's not as defined and stuff, but you can get different looks with, you know, different curl patterns and stuff. So okay, I just wanted to show you guys before I put it in the pineapple how it looks completely wet, completely like wet with product in it. So this is like a wash and go kind of look. It looks very beautiful this way and it looks good like completely dry and more like froed out. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna do that pineapple style with this headband that HerGivenHair sent. Oh, and this stretches out really good. This wig is beautiful. Oh, you could do something like this, cover your hairline completely. You could definitely work out in these kinds of wigs, but me personally, when I'm working out, I don't want to wear a wig. I just wrap my head up completely. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. And I don't really have my edges out with, listen, this wig is bomb. It's bomb. Oh. Now, I don't have my edges out, but I think I will just to kind of make it look even more natural. So I'm gonna push the headband back just a little bit. I'm probably gonna wear this the rest of the day. This is cute. I really look like a bomb natural out here. Let me put my hoops on to seal the deal. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So this is the final look. So I didn't have big issues with like shedding or tangling or anything like that. I feel like this is, even though HerGivenHair is more expensive, I see why. This hair texture is gorgeous and it blends well with my texture of hair, which is 4B4C. And you can, this is a lot of versatility that you can do with this. You can do twist outs and all that kind of stuff, braid outs. But I just showed you what it looks like when it's completely dry, and then something that's more wet and like a wash and go. So if you are interested in purchasing this wig from HerGivenHair, head over to their website and pick it up there. If they have a coupon code out right now, it'll be in the description box for you guys. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring another video, and shout out to you guys for watching my video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Hey y'all, so it's a few days after I recorded the first footage, and I'm recording this on my phone, and you might hear like my air in the background. Sorry about that. But I'm wearing that wig again just to go get my toes done. This looks so cute. This might be my favorite I've tried so far. I know HerGivenHair is typically pretty expensive, but this is gorgeous and super natural. And I just have it up in a bun. I put another black headband on top of it. You don't have to do that, but I wanted to wear a black headband without the Velcro showing, so I put another headband on top of it. But this is so cute. Oh my gosh.